we studied the energy density in a magnetic field. According to this, the formula for the energy density which is equal to half Li square, where UB means the energy density in magnetic field, L means inductance, and I means the current. And the next point is last video, which is equal to, if the inductances are connected in series, then L total which is equal to the L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus dash 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 dash. Then if these inductance are connected in parallel, then L total which is equal to 1 upon L1 plus 1 upon L2 plus 1 upon L3 dash 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 dash. So in this video we are going to study mutual inductance. In this case here we consist of two coil, coil 1 and coil 2, which is placed side by side. In this coil 1 and this coil 2, which is placed side by side, and the current I1 which is flowing through the coil 1. And because of this current I1, magnetic field is produced around the coil 1. Means because of current I1, magnetic field is produced around them. Then the magnetic flux of phi to 1, means magnetic flux of phi to 1 like with the surface area of coil 2, like with the surface area of S2 of coil 2 due to the magnetic field B1. Means because of this magnetic field B1, phi to 1 which is proportional to current I1. Means because of this current I1, then the magnetic flux which is produced, then this flux which is because of the phi to 1, means the surface area 2, then surface area S2 of coil, then this phi to 1 is proportional to current I1. Then after proportional sign there is phi to 1 which is equal to there is a one constant, then M21 into I1. Then if this equation can be written in the form of M21 which is equal to phi to 1 upon I1. This is the formula for the mutual inductance. Means this M, which is called as the constant of proportionality, or constant of proportionality called as the mutual inductance of coil 2 with respect to coil 1. Then the induced EMF of coil 2. Then because of this coil 1, the EMF is produced in coil 2. Then the induced EMF of coil 2. Then formula for according to the Faraday's law, E is equal to E to 1, means coil 2 with respect to coil 1, then formula is equal to minus d phi 21 upon dt. Then we know the formula for the phi 21 which is equal to M21 into I1. Then substitute here minus of M21, then d is there, after that remaining is I1, so di1 upon dt, Then if we consider this is the equation 1, then after that means ME21 means induced EMF of current 2 with respect to 1, then the formula is M21 di1 upon dt. Then we consider the next coil 2, means current I2 which is allowed to pass through coil 2. Means if the current I which is allowed to pass through the coil 2, because of this current, means phi 12 which is like the surface area of S1 of coil 1, so phi 12 which is proportional to, means phi 12 which is proportional to obviously current I2 or I2. Then after proportional sign there is one constant which is equal to M12 into I2. This equation can be written as M12 which is equal to phi 12 upon I2. Means mutual inductance means the formula for the mutual inductance of 1 2 which is equal to 5 1 2 upon I2. This is the equation 2. This is the equation 2. Then consider the coil 2 induced EMF of coil 1. Means because of this coil 2, EMF is induced in the coil 1. So the induced EMF of coil 1, which is formula is equal to minus d phi 1 2 upon dt. Then minus here d phi 1 2's value which is equal to E12 phi 1 2 value which is equal to minus of M12 d. Here current is I2 upon dt. Current I2 upon dt. So the induced EMF of coil 1 with respect to coil 2, this equation is equal to minus M12 di2 upon dt. Means according to the equation M21 value, then we notice that the M12 which is equal to M21 which is equal to M, where M is called as the mutual inductance. Then the next point is alternative definitions of mutual inductance. Then we already derived the formula is phi 1 which is equal to Mi1, and also the phi 2 which is equal to Mi2. We in last point we already studied this formula phi 1 which is equal to Mi1 and phi 2 which is equal to Mi2. This equation can be written in the form of M means mutual inductance, then the phi 1 upon I1. Then this equation also can be written as M is equal to phi 2 upon I2. Means M is equal to phi 1 upon I1, also phi 2 upon I2. Means the definition, M means the mutual inductance. Then the definition of mutual inductance, the magnetic mutual inductance of the two circuits which is defined as magnetic flux of one circuit per unit current in the other circuit. Means magnetic flux of one circuit then per unit current in the other circuit. Then in this case the current is provided externally. So the first is called as the secondary circuit and then the second is called as the primary circuit. Then the mutual inductance of the two circuit, then the flux which is linked with the secondary circuit, means flux linked with the secondary circuit per unit current on the current in the other primary circuit. Means mutual inductance of the two circuit which is equal to the, means definition of mutual inductance of the two circuit which is equal to the magnetic flux which is linked with the secondary circuit to the current per unit current in the primary circuit. Then this equation can be written as phi s which is equal to MIP. Then here we find the induced EMF. Then according to the Faraday's law, induced EMF ES is equal to minus d phi upon dt. Then d phi upon dt. Then here phi s value which is equal to MIP, and here is the dt. Then M is outside the bracket, then dIP upon dt. This is the equation of ES. ES means the induced EMF in secondary circuit which is equal to minus M dIP upon dt. Again this equation can be written in the form of M. Then ES is equal to, minus sign is there, dIP upon dt. Then in magnitude form this equation can be written as ES is equal to dIP upon dt. So according to this, the definition of mutual inductance, it is the ratio of the value of induced EMF per unit current rate of change of current in primary circuit. Means value of the induced EMF in secondary circuit per unit current rate of change of current in primary circuit. Then also the SI unit of mutual inductance is Henry. Means according to this formula, this SI unit or EMF of SI unit is volt upon current unit is ampere upon S. This totally it is called as the Henry. It is called as the Henry. Now the next point is coefficient of coupling between two circuits. Then what is the meaning of the coefficient of coupling? Symbol for the coefficient of coupling, which is K, and it is the measure of the portion of the flux which reaches the coil 2 from the vicinity of coil 1. Means the coefficient of coupling means the number of couple lines, means number of portion of the flux which is passing through the coil 1 to coil 2, and symbol for this coefficient of coupling, which is K, and greater is the value of the coupling, then the mutual inductance will also be greater. Then mutual inductance, which is also proportional to the, means mutual inductance means M is proportional to the voltage developed in it. Means voltage means the EMF which is produced in it from coil 2 to coil 1. But also means EMF, induced EMF, which is also proportional to the number of coils from the number of turns from coil 2, which is can also be written as K into phi. But where did this quantity came? Means we know the formula for the E, which is equal to minus d phi upon dt. But phi means we know the formula for the phi, which is equal to the n phi 1. Substitute here in place of phi in n phi 1 upon dt. This equation can be written as minus n d upon dt phi 1. Here this means d by dt means the coefficient of coupling. So minus n k phi 1. So this is the equation. From this equation can be written like this. But we also know that the phi 1 means this phi 1, which is directly proportional to the number of turns in the coil 1. So this is means substitute phi 1 value in place of this, means E21 proportional to N2 K is N1. Means this equation can be written as E21 proportional to K N1 N2. This is the equation 2 and this is equation 1. But also we know that the formula for, we know the capital L upon N, which is equal to the mu 0 n square A. That means this L means self-inductance, which is proportional to n square. But here we consider the capital N. So L proportional to capital N square. So capital N square. This is the equation. This equation can be written as N, which is proportional to square root of L. If we consider the two coils, so N1 and N2 is there, number of turns of coil 1 and coil 2, which is N1 and N2. Also the self-inductance of both these two, which is L1 and L2. Substitute N1 and N2 value in this equation, then this equation can be written as E21 proportion K in L1 upon L2. Then from equation 1, we know the M is proportional to E21. Then replace E21 by M, means M is equal to proportional to K square root of L1 or L1 into L2. But here also K, which is K value is equal to 1. So equation M is equal to L1 upon L2. Means product of square root of L1 into L2. There are three cases. If the K value is greater than 0.5, so this is called, then the coil is said to be, well coupled. Then the well coupled means coil is said to be the well coupled. If the K value is smaller than 0.5, then the coil is said to be loosely coupled. And if the third condition is, if the L1 is L2, means self inductance which is itself means L1 and L2. So this F is equal to square root of LL, means L square is there. So M is equal to L, means mutual inductance which is equal to the self inductance, means both these two are equal. Means in this video we are already studied. The first point is mutual inductance. In that we derive the formula for the mutual inductance, which is equal to phi upon R, phi to 1 upon I1. Then also we consider the another definition, alternative definition of the mutual inductance. According to this mutual inductance, E is equal to E upon di upon dt, minus of E di upon dt, Es upon d bar upon dt. This is the alternative methods of the self inductance, and in this case we already studied the SI unit of the mutual inductance is Henry. And the last point in this video, which is the coefficient of coupling between two circuits. Here we derive the formula for the mutual inductance, which is equal to the M proportional to K L1 L2, and then consider the three cases of the mutual inductance. Then the next video we will study the transformer. What is the meaning of transformer and their the derivation. Thank you.